Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you an 81 C10 Custom all the way. This is probably one of a kind type truck. Got the custom grill in it, got the custom bumper with the bow ties down there. It's an older restoration, so I'm going to show you a few chips here and there. Got a little bit of clear coat flaking off on top of that fender. Like I said, there's a chip there. No really rust or anything anywhere. Nice clean truck. And then this is your custom part. You can see that's probably been glassed in there and just from age, showing that. Got custom bucket seats, and then yep, probably one of the first extended cabs ever made. So but interior is nice. This is an air truck, got vintage air on it, power windows, power locks, I believe. So nice interior with them custom back seats, or front seats I should say, out of a newer pickup. Like I said, just kind of some rock chips here and there. Got the custom tonneau cover there. A little scratch right there. A little scratch paint off of the custom. They did a custom job on the tailgate, put the bow tie in there. So pretty cool truck, dual exhaust. Chip there, a little clear coat coming off up here. So if you looked at the underneath, showed a nice clean truck. No, like I said, no rust issues, and definitely a one of a kind. Nobody else will have one. Like I see, you got a little bit of filler cracking in this custom extended cab part. Got some paperwork that goes with some of the equipment in it. So if you're looking for a one-of-a-kind truck, you might have found it. Everybody will notice this, and you'll get lots of compliments on it. So, and it's been drove enough that it's a good driver. You don't have to worry about getting a rock chip in it here and there, because it does have a few. But just go out and drive it and have a lot of fun and get a lot of compliments. So any questions, 605-692-7010, or my cell, 605-695-7391.